Welcome to Morning Rituals. Welcome to Superb Story Time, a time where we listen to wonderful, beautiful stories and we derive life skills and life lessons from them and become thought leaders. Let's get started. Today we have another very beautiful story. This is a story of a young lady, very intelligent, beautiful, wise. She marries a farmer. They love each other. They are literally inseparable. They are wonderful with each other. And they have a very nice, peaceful life. They take care of each other. The farmer and his wife are doing really well. She's very nice. She's very caring. Everything is going out. And her neighbor, the old lady is kind of a grumpy old lady. Anybody knows what's grumpy? Grumpy.
Angry, coach.
Yeah, another word for grumpy is a
Being
person anger.
coach being a little bit of furious, like angry.
Yes. So she was a bit grumpy, and she would actually any moment she will get an opportunity, she will say some hurtful or say harmful things to this lady. For example, one day she said, "Oh, what kind of a father you have? I don't think your father taught you anything. You do not know how to behave and all other things." That was one day. Another day she said, "Oh, you look beautiful outside, but inside you're dark, inside you're ugly," and things like that. And this would go on for like few days. Whenever this old lady, she'd be like frustrated, angry, she'll find some reason to keep doing all that. But this young, beautiful woman, the intelligent one, the wise one, what she does is she doesn't react. What she does is she has a gentle smile on her face and she goes and she minds her own business. And then what happens is this goes on for a few days, and one day this old grumpy woman will come and she'll come and call, come here. I want to talk to you. She says, "Yes, what is it?" She said, "I say sometimes very mean, sometimes hurtful things to you. And I don't think that, oh, why don't you get angry? Why don't you hurt?" Then this, this young, smart, intelligent woman will say, "Okay, let me ask you a question. If you give me a gift, if you give me a gift and I don't take this gift, whom will the gift actually originally belong to?" The old lady said, "It's going to belong to me only." It's the same thing. When you're telling me all these things, if I don't accept it, where will it belong to? You. So why should I bother? Why should I worry? It should not trouble me at all. So Yukta, Nakshatra, everybody, Sashikala ji, Dutik coach, Ajit coach, if somebody is giving you a gift, Tarun, if somebody's gift and you don't accept it, Keshav, if you don't accept it, will the gift belong to that person or will it belong to you?
That person.
It'll belong to that person only. Correct, isn't it? So
It
please,
belongs to
what
that
did
person.
if somebody gives you a gift and you don't accept it, where gift will it be?
But it belongs to them.
True. Very nice. So what did we learn from this story, Sailesh? Come on, everybody. What did we learn?
Coach, don't be mean to others.
Don't be mean to others.
Ignore all the bad things and take in the good one.
Very nice.
Coach,
Coach,
Yeah.
do smart work more than hard work.
Do smart work more than hard work.
coach, if somebody's disturbing you a lot, then just ignore.
Very nice.
Coach, keep it up. Keep it up.
Keep it happen. Okay, wonderful.
I think
Manikam, yes, award. Manikam, come and show him your award for showing up, for participating.
Yes,
Manikam,
coach.
your award. You got the trophy yesterday, no?
Coach, always
fight you should avoid it, coach.
Sorry?
To avoid a fight, you should avoid it.
To avoid a fight, you should avoid it. Very nice.
Don't react, respond.
Sorry?
Don't react, respond.
Don't react but respond.
Think
Very nice.
before what you give.
Think before what you give.
Coach,
Positive. Coach, don't be grumpy.
Don't be
Coach, positive. Don't be grumpy.
don't be grumpy. Very nice.
Coach, think positive. Coach, be positive.
Be positive.
coach, don't be furious at others, so they may become very. They might show. They might ignore you. You be very furious.
Always be kind to others and treat others the way you want to be treated.
Ah, nice. Thank you so much, She.
Coach, don't react, somebody says.
Sorry?
Coach, somebody says, don't react.
Yeah. So the biggest learning from this is
Coach, don't
Everybody
listen
needs
to anyone
support,
else.
coach.
so the biggest learning from this is also being getting hurt, getting angry, getting insulted is a choice. It's a choice, correct, isn't it? Yeah, if somebody says something to you and if you don't want to, it's your choice. If you are getting angry, please don't blame the other. It is you who are getting angry for your own reasons. We say, right, this person hurt us, this person made me angry, this person did this, this person did that. No, not at all. Correct? No. Isn't it? Yeah. As simple as that. If somebody offering you something to eat and you don't take it, the food will belong to you? No, then why do we take anger, insult so personally? Leave it. Yeah, and you stay whatever it is. It is your choice. It is your decision.
Coach, everybody needs liberty, coach.
Everybody needs liberty, is it? Wonderful. Fabulous.
Coach, nothing has a meaning until you give it.
Very nice. Nothing has a meaning till you give it. So nice.
Coach,
Beautiful.
will does a way.
Sailesh, this is all for tomorrow, Sailesh. Today we'll be here only. Seriously, Sailesh, that is for tomorrow's story. Love you, dear. Yeah.
Think before what you receive.
Yes.
Before receive.
Very nice. It is our choice. Getting angry, getting hurt, getting ashamed, getting this thing, it's in our hands. Always remember you're lovable, you're capable, you're valuable, and you're one of a kind, you're unique. Why do you want to get troubled? Everybody, please sit in Vajrasana. We are going to complete the rest of the exercises. Yes. Yeah. Everybody, 30 seconds of silence. Focus on your breath. Keep your mics muted. Alternate nasal breathing. Left in, right out, right in, left out. 20 sets. That was alternate nasal breathing. We will do now be breathing, 6 of them, 6 counts. Hum. 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 Can you keep your eyes closed? We will do energizer. We start with the slow. We'll take it to medium, high speed, high energy. Let's. Lock your arms. Lock your arms. Thank yourself that uh, you know everything is a choice. Thank yourself that you choose whatever you want and you accept it. Otherwise, you just leave it. Whatever it is, could be a gift or it could be something that you don't want to eat or even an insult, even some hatred. You don't accept it, it does not belong to you, it'll never bother you. Thank all the external part of the body, thank all the internal part of the body, thank your brain, such a wonderful, beautiful mind. Thank you, thank you so much. As you can thank all the parts of our body from head to toe. Thank those two lovely souls. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom. Thank you so much. Thank all your family members. Thank you, Tej. Thank you, Asta. I'm so blessed to have you all. Thank all the Leadership Academy. Thank all the coaches, trainers, everybody's gurus, mentors, teachers, everybody. All the people we know, our friends, relatives, everybody. Thank all the humanity. Thank you, Mother Nature. You're so kind, so amazing, so beautiful. Thank you, Universe. Thank you, Lord, God, Almighty, Supreme Power, Supreme Intelligence, different names. However, thank you for giving me this wonderful soul with a purpose. Such a beautiful soul. Thank yourself. Thank yourself from head to toe and toe to head. Wonderful. Now that we have completed gratitude, visualize a beam of white light starting from the universe. As it enters your head, your face, your neck, your shoulders, travel down to your toes, head to toe, toe to head. We are now rejuvenated, revitalized, re-energized, completely full of power, full of energy. Thank you so much. Thank yourself for that. Thank yourself. Now that we have energized ourselves, we have done the gratitude, we are in the right state of mind to visualize our goals, our purpose. Why do we walk this planet? What is the purpose here? Yes, continue visualize your goals, your purpose. Why are you here? Visualizing your goals and your purpose on a daily basis keeps you on track, keeps you in focus, doesn't allow you to get distracted, and you move towards your goal and your real purpose. Hands in your heart. Repeat after me with level 10 energy. I am a champion. I make smart choices. I know choices have consequences. I'm lovable. I'm wonderful. I'm smart. I'm full of gratitude. I'm grateful to anyone and everyone. I'm smart. I'm strong. I'm powerful. I'm intelligent. I'm full of gratitude. I'm grateful to anyone and everyone. I'm wonderful. I'm amazing. I'm lovable. I'm capable. I'm valuable. I am a superb human. Raindrop clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa. Rub your palms. Heal your eyes. Heal every part of your eyes. Last one. Slowly open your eyes and welcome back. Everybody live powerfully, live purposefully, lives like a superwoman. Once again, we will thank she. She did a wonderful job. Yukta, take care. Get well soon, my dear.
Thank you, Coach.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Thanks, G. Thanks, G.
Yes.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Bye, guys.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.